Hello, Dr. Jackson. Welcome to our IST 707 final project, control system for segregating packages. So to start with, we can see that this is the conveyor system on which the package is going to move around. And we can see that there are two sensors. The first sensor is to detect if the package is present, and the second sensor is for detecting the height of the package. So if a smaller package goes through, we are going to see that the solenoid system is not going to get actuated and the smaller package goes through. But when we put in a taller package, the solenoid system is going to get actuated and it pushes the package into the blue box here. This is the control unit for our project. We can see that there are a bunch of switches and buttons over here, so I'm going to go ahead in the clockwise direction and explain what each of them is. So this one is the tie down button, which is used to start the system. This indicator here indicates the counter. So after 3 counts, the system is going to restart every time. And this indicator represents if the door is open or closed. So for example, if I open the door, we can see that the light is turned off, and when I'm closing it, it's turned on. So it's always safer to have it closed. And the third indicator here indicates if the system is switched on or switched off. And this one represents the tie down indicator. So when I'm pressing tie down, we can see that this one is activated here. And this tie down button here is the reset button. This red button here is the emergency stop, and this one indicates the system start. So to start the system, we usually press this button and have the tie down pressed all the time. So to start the system, we can see that the tie down button is pressed and we have the start button pressed as well. So once I'm keeping the smaller package, the conveyor system starts and it's been detected by the sensor. As we move ahead to this sensor, we can see that it's not detected and the solenoid doesn't push the package through, so it just goes in the other direction. But now I'm keeping the taller package here and this sensor detects the package. So this sensor is going to detect the taller package with 3 Lego blocks, and you can see that the solenoid pushes the taller package into the box.